Have you ever wondered how one man could revolutionize both art and science? Today we dive into the life of that man, Leonardo da Vinci. Born in the small town of Vinci, Italy in 1452, Leonardo was a child who showed extraordinary artistic talent from a very young age. His aptitude for drawing and painting was so impressive, it led him to an apprenticeship with the renowned artist Andrea del Verrocchio in Florence. This marked the beginning of Leonardo's illustrious artistic career. He would soon move beyond his master, developing his own distinctive style that would stun the world. His revolutionary techniques and keen eye for detail set him apart from his contemporaries, making him a standout figure in the art world. Leonardo's artistic prowess was evident from the start, but his genius didn't stop at the canvas. Leonardo da Vinci was not just an artist, but a visionary inventor who was centuries ahead of his time. His relentless curiosity led him to venture far beyond the confines of art, into the realms of science and engineering. This was a man who dared to dream, who dared to challenge the norms of his time, who dared to envision a future that was far from his reality. In the heart of the Renaissance, a time of profound transformation and intellectual growth, Da Vinci was a true polymath. He was an artist, an architect, a scientist, a mathematician, and an inventor. His vast array of skills and interests allowed him to see the world from a unique perspective, inspiring him to create devices that were well ahead of their time. Among his remarkable inventions were the helicopter and machine gun. The helicopter, or aerial screw as he called it, was a device meant to achieve vertical flight. It was a concept so advanced, it would take humanity another 400 years to make it a reality. Similarly, his machine gun, a design for a rapid-fire weapon, was a precursor to modern automatic firearms. But these are just two examples of Leonardo's innovative spirit. His notebooks, filled with sketches and notes, reveal a mind bursting with ideas. From plans for a tank and a self-propelled cart, to designs for scuba gear and even a robot, Da Vinci's creativity knew no bounds. His ability to blend art and science, to see beauty and functionality, and to envision the impossible, set him apart from his contemporaries. These notebooks, filled with over 7,000 pages of sketches and thoughts, are a testament to Da Vinci's unparalleled intellect and insatiable curiosity. They showcase his innovative spirit, his relentless pursuit of knowledge, and his unwavering belief in the power of the human mind. Leonardo's notebooks are a testament to his insatiable curiosity and innovative spirit. They remind us that genius often lies in the ability to see beyond the known, to challenge the status quo, and to dare to envision a future that is yet to come. Leonardo da Vinci's thirst for knowledge was not limited to art and inventions. He delved deep into the intricacies of the human body. This curiosity led him down a path less traveled during the Renaissance, the study of human anatomy. It was a challenging endeavor, as dissections were considered controversial and in many cases, illegal. Despite these obstacles, Leonardo was undeterred. He conducted numerous dissections, studying the bodies of both humans and animals. His observations were meticulously recorded in his notebooks, with detailed drawings and notes. His sketches were not mere reproductions, they were analytical studies, each line and shape representing a deeper understanding of the body's structure and function. Leonardo's anatomical studies were groundbreaking. He was the first to accurately depict the human spine's curvature, the first to illustrate the correct positioning of the jaw muscles, and his studies on the human heart were so precise that they wouldn't be matched for another 300 years. His drawings were a blend of artistry and scientific observation, reflecting the interconnectedness of these two disciplines. His studies weren't just about understanding anatomy for the sake of knowledge, but also about improving his art. He believed that to depict the human form accurately, one must understand what lies beneath the skin. One of his most iconic works, The Vitruvian Man, it's a visual representation of the mathematical and harmonic principles. Through his dissections and anatomical studies, work laid a foundation that would later be built upon by countless other scientists and artists, shaping our understanding of the human body. Leonardo's anatomical studies, both bold and meticulous, bridged the gap between art and science. His thirst for knowledge and his relentless curiosity continue to inspire us, reminding us of the boundless potential of the human mind. The legacy of Leonardo da Vinci is immeasurable, influencing both art and science for centuries to come. This remarkable polymath of the Renaissance era left an indelible imprint on history, setting the foundation for future generations of thinkers, artists, and inventors. His innovative approach to knowledge, where he blended art and science seamlessly, was revolutionary. It was a testament to his belief that these two disciplines were not separate entities, but rather two sides of the same coin. This interdisciplinary approach became a model for the modern concept of STEAM education, integrating science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. The breadth of Leonardo's work and ideas was staggering. His designs, though not brought to life in his time, would go on to inspire future inventions. Consider the ornithopter, a flying machine he conceptualized based on the flight of birds. Although it was never built during Leonardo's lifetime, it sowed the seeds for the creation of the modern helicopter. Or ponder his armored car, a precursor to the modern tank. His sketches of this vehicle, equipped with an array of light cannons and capable of moving in any direction, bore a striking resemblance to the military tanks developed several centuries later. These examples showcase how Leonardo's ideas were centuries ahead of their time and how they continue to inspire modern technology. But his impact wasn't limited to inventions. His detailed anatomical drawings, born from a time when dissection was considered taboo, laid the groundwork for modern anatomy and physiology. His iconic Vitruvian Man is still used in medical education today, a testament to Leonardo's enduring contribution to our understanding of the human body. From the Mona Lisa to his far-reaching inventions, Leonardo da Vinci's impact continues to resonate in our world today. His curiosity and creativity make him an eternal symbol of human potential and innovation. Leonardo da Vinci, the Renaissance man, continues to inspire us, reminding us of the limitless potential of the human mind when it dares to dream, explore, and innovate. Leonardo da Vinci, an artist, an inventor, an anatomist, and an eternal symbol of human potential. We've journeyed through his life, marveled at his artistry, lauded his innovative spirit, and appreciated his contributions to anatomy. His legacy continues to inspire, reminding us of the boundless possibilities of human creativity and curiosity. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life and times of Leonardo da Vinci. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the past and stay curious.